Okay, so now we're talking about the circumference of a circle. And so the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter, or we could do pi times 2 times the radius. So we would write this as pi d or 2 pi r. And so remember the diameter is 2 times the radius, so all we're doing is substituting that in to give us the two different formulas that we have there. So when we go to use the circumference, what we're going to do is remember our equations here. So it's c equals 2 pi r or pi d. So either or, depending on what they give us, will determine what we use. So a merry-go-round has seats that are 7 feet from the center and 10 feet from the center. So if I draw a picture here, my first set of seats are 7 feet from that center. My next set of seats are 10 feet from the center. So we're dealing with the radius, so we're going to deal with this one right here. So we want to know how much farther does a child seated on the outside loop travel than a child seated on the inside loop for one revolution. So I'm going to have to do two different things here. So inside loop is going to be equal to 2 pi times 7, which ends up being 14 pi. And then the outside loop is the same thing. It's 2 pi r, but instead of 7, I'm going to do 10. So I end up with this being equal to 20 pi. Well, the outside loop went further than the inside loop, and that ends up being equal to 6 pi. Well, if I wanted to get this to be an exact for feet, I would do 6 times, and then I would use the pi button on my calculator, and I would end up with 18.85 feet further is what the outside loop traveled.